Hello everyone, my name is Alina Palamarchuk. My team and I are here today to present our most recent project, Otter. Otter started as a cute idea for users and their significant otter to be able to send each other pebbles as a way to better implement effective communication between each other. I had the pleasure of setting up our landing page with user login and registration, as well as the Pebble page. Once a user registers, they have the ability to upload a profile picture for their account, which displays on their home screen. All of our data is stored and updated using Redux and Firebase, and the app was created with React Native. Users can also use the search function to connect with their significant otter and display their information on the home screen as well. Once both users are connected, they can navigate to their Pebble page to start sending each other new pebbles. The platform provides the users a comfortable space to share how they really feel about a situation, as well as sharing tips on how to better communicate. In the future, we would like to add recommended responses based on the sender's active mood as well as their love language. And now I'm going to hand it off to my partner, Erin.
Hello, my name is Erin, and I will be presenting the Love Language Quiz feature of Otter. The Love Language Quiz was built into the app to allow you and your significant otter to get to know each other's ways of both expressing and feeling loved. The Love Language Quiz uses the original 30 questions from Gary Chapman. It is used to figure out whether someone enjoys acts of service, quality time, physical touch, words of affirmation, or receiving gifts as their primary love expression. Once the user completes the quiz, the user is assigned a language based on their highest score via a point system. From there, if a significant otter is registered, their otter will be notified and given suggestions on gestures their partner may appreciate based on that language. For example, if their partner's love language is physical touch, the app may suggest giving them a hug or a back massage. You may take the quiz again to update your love language as needed. Once you and your partner have taken the love language quiz, your love languages will display on the front page. This is to act as a tiny reminder to what your otter might enjoy most. Remember to always communicate and listen to your otter, as this is not a full replacement of their own advice. Just some tips.
Hey, my name is Otis, and I'll be presenting the calendar feature of Otter. The Otter calendar is utilized to keep track of upcoming events in you and your significant otter's lives. There's also the ability to add how you're feeling in order to be aware of each other's emotions regarding these events. To access the calendar, we simply tap on the Calendar tab at the bottom of the navigation bar. Here you'll see any events that you or your significant otter may have added to your calendars. If you tap on Add Event, it'll take you to the Add Event page where you can select a date, input a small description or title for your upcoming event, and then you can add how you're feeling about that event. We believe that it's beneficial to not only be aware of your significant otter's future plans, but to also be aware of how they're feeling regarding those plans. If your significant otter is feeling nervous about an upcoming job interview, try to prevent yourself from adding any unnecessary stress and be mindful about the things you might say or do during this period of time. Also remember to ask them how it went and congratulate them for accomplishing something that caused them to feel anxious. Being able to visually see how your significant otter is feeling about events in their life can be extremely beneficial to a healthy and loving relationship. And that's about all you're going to get out of me, so I'll pass it over to Josh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Simon. I was responsible for creating the Otter question game. That is my contribution to the app. When playing the Otter question game, you'll notice that it's very humorous and thought-provoking. And the purpose behind the game is to encourage conversation between couples and allow them to cover topics that may not come up in regular conversation. At the end of the quiz, you'll notice that there's a point system, but this point system is strictly based off of which questions we believed would have been a little bit more difficult to be honest in. You'll notice that the layout of all of the questions are in a yes/no format, and some questions allow the answer for "it's complicated." When a user comes across the "it's complicated" option, the intent is for users to expand on the conversation and explain the scenarios that lead more toward a yes or no answer. We hope that whenever you guys use the app and play the question game that you enjoy reading some of the funnier content just as much as we enjoyed selecting some of the questions, and also enjoy some of the more controversial questions and explore yourself and your significant otter through and through. In order to access some of the references that was used in the work, please check out the README or the GitHub portfolio.